Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your Facebook policy for connecting the domain to the Wix website to track the leads and customers experience on Wix website. And since the February in 2021, Facebook has a new policy. If you go to your site on Wix, for example like this, click select your set, you will see there is a notification on the top of the screen and showing that action required. Facebook new policy affects tracking tools on your site. And this new policy is about to you have to verify your domain on Facebook to be able to manage the tracking data on Wix website. So now I'm going to show you how to do this to continue tracking the events on Facebook Pixel. Okay, so if you have access on Wix, you first need to go to the Facebook. For example, this is my Facebook, and you go to the page, like your home, like the one for your home page, like the pages you manage yourself. For example, I take this one. This is the page I was working for my clients. It's called the handsy.c, and this is the one need to update on the Facebook to verify the domain. So then, if I go here and I will go to the Ad Center. And then you will see in Ad Center here, you will see there's the one we did before, and then you go to the business suite here. If you cannot see the options for the ad manager, and then you can go see here under your business suite, you will see these options, and then you will see the ads here. And then you will see your ads manager. For different computers, you could have different Windows information. The most important is that you are going to your business manager and ad manager on your Facebook. And then when you go there, you need, for example, now we are here, and you go to your business tools, and you will have your business settings here. And here you will see the companies you are managing now, and all the information you would like to update. And under here, there are it's called a brand safety here. Then you see the domains here. See here, this is the company who is running for this Global Plan Health Center. AB is running for the Facebook ads for this account, and then you need to add your domain for this account. Okay, so now you just copy the website here. So this is the website we made, and then you copy this one and to your this one to here, and remember remove this one HTTP, and then this one and add the domain here. Now you see not verified, so this is the information. What do you do? So on Wix website, we recommend to use the MegaTag verification. So you copy this one, copy this one, and then you go to the Wix. Then you go to the settings here, and then go down all the way to the advanced settings here, customer code. And then this is the old pixel code. Before it was just like a code, right? Now you have to do this MegaTag. So you can turn off this one and add a customer code. And you paste this code here. This is the one we copied. And then you can see maybe Facebook Pixel new one. Okay. And load code once that's okay, and place code on the head. That's correct. Okay, then apply. Great. Then you can remove the first one. Okay, so now we have the new one. Okay, so this is has been updated, and now we go back to the Facebook to verify this one. Okay, it might take a little bit of time since there are several kind of customers who are saying that they're quite complicated. But now you see Hennessy.c is verified, done. So now it is finished. So you have a new updated code on Wix now, and it is let's see, wait. So this is here now. So you have tracking all the events. But if you want to go detailed about choose which event, like for example, which one you want them to show the actions when they are going to have new lead, page view, something like that, you can do it more detailed setting. But now the first step you have done. So now you have this one connected, and Facebook will automatically tracking the data here. And then if you want to do more settings, you can do more detailed settings. But I will do that in the next video. But this video is good enough for you to have the updating for the Facebook pixel on Wix website. Okay, thank you very much, and hopefully this video helps you to solve the problems. Okay, bye.